Hey, guys, there's a reason why it took till almost 2024 for me to make you a playlist on how to furnish an Airbnb property. The reason why is in the 8 years that I've been a host, the tens of millions of dollars that I've made on 150 properties, it used to be easy. You could put a mattress on the floor and somebody would book your place. But after COVID, a lot of people joined the space, some good people, a lot of businesses grew and got older and more experienced, myself included. The quality of properties continued to increase. The guest count didn't increase as much as host count, so a lot of people quit. But now what we've learned on the back end of this is good design is what will keep a property in play all weather markets. The reason why is Airbnb feeds the best listings, the most interesting listings, so they always make money even in slow season, even during an Airbnb bust. The medium and bottom properties are the ones that get cut because Airbnb's algorithm favors their best listings and gives them more traffic. So with good design and good amenities, your listing is safe. So I made you this playlist so that way you guys can be safe too. Enjoy. I'll see you in there.